As we had seen in the other video, we have set up the PMM server. It is already live and it is accessible on my local network at this IP. So we will check out the other options and set up PMM client on this. So if you want to check out currently live Vagrant boxes inside this particular directory, you can use this option, list Vagrant box. It will print out the directory. If you want to see the IP of the Vagrant box, then select this and then inside this, check this directory and then press enter. It will get the IP. Like I said, these are the IPs. If you want to execute a single command inside that Vagrant box, then you can use this to do it. Let's select this Vagrant box. And for example, let's do ls. It will take a few seconds. Here is the output. So let's now set up PMM client. This will set up a new Vagrant box. Select PMM version 2.9.0. Enter the PMM server IP address that I will take from here. Select the database instances to install on the client. So I can choose multiple database by pressing spacebar on them. For now, let's just do Percona server and press enter. Provide details for Percona server. Tell number of instances. I will take that as one. You want to set up a new Vagrant box? Yes. Select operating system of the guest machine. It would be Ubuntu. It has started setting up the Vagrant box. We can see this virtual box is already running. It has started installing Docker. So this is the shared folder that I have given by default in the Vagrant file. So this is guest folder and this is the host folder. So you can move files across guest and host. It has started the PMM client configuration now. It is downloading the PMM client tarball. It will keep on printing this so many outputs. This is some bug on the Vagrant side. Until then, let's see if this Vagrant box is already listed or not. So I will use this list Vagrant boxes. So this is printing out of both the directories for both the Vagrant boxes. Let's try to get IP of the client Vagrant box. Although that is not needed, but just for trial purposes. All of these outputs will be silenced in a future update. And also the CLI tool will be available on PMM as well, NPM. It is showing registering PMM agent on PMM server. It has registered now. It has printed out the PMM server URL as well. So this is the same IP as I had provided from this. So here the PMM client installation is done. Now it has started installing Percona server. It will download and install the Percona server and then add that to the PMM server. As it is showing, the service is added now. Service name Percona server at this IP. Database instances Percona server, one instance of that. And this was the PMM framework command that was used to set up all of this. If we refresh this page, It may take a little while to reflect in here, but the client instance has already started showing up in here. We can check the PMM server logs. So this is how we set up PMM client on it. Now, if you want to destroy all of this configuration quickly, we will run the tool again. I will do the destroy vagrant boxes. I can choose both of them at once. Select one and then press spacebar. Select this one also and press spacebar. As you can see the green ticks in here. I will press enter. It is destroying the client first. Here you can see it go away. It is destroying the server now. The server will also disappear now. Yeah. So all of the configuration is destroyed. So this is it.